video, but before I get started on all the details, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you aren't new to my channel, welcome back. If you like what you see before you leave and you aren't subscribed already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you are subscribed already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This is the Gucci Ophidia Small Shoulder Bag. And this is the option with the chain top handle and also the adjustable web strap. The bag is also canvas, which I don't mind. I like leather bags too, but I just feel like with canvas, to me, they're a little bit more durable, just depending on the leather style. And they're easy to wipe off. If it's raining or anything, I don't really have to worry about it too much. It also has a lighter cotton lining, which I will show you guys, and it has a pocket on the inside. And this bag also has the GG zip closure. What the side of the bag is looking like, and I love how it's more wider at the bottom because it allows you to put more stuff in it. And this is what the back of the bag looks like. So I'm going to show you guys what that web strap looks like. This is what it looks like right here. I also purchased this strap off of Etsy because I wanted another option besides just this strap. Even though I love this strap, it's very comfortable, it is a more casual strap. I just feel like this doesn't go with everything. So if I wanted to wear the bag, I didn't want to just be stuck with this. Now, the only thing about this strap is that I feel like it's a little bit too long. So I did ask my husband if he could add 2 more holes. So when I try this on, you'll see when I say it's too long. I like for my bags to sit a certain way when I'm wearing it crossbody. I like for it to sit just a little bit above my hip, but it also depends on how I'm feeling that day. This is what it looks like compared to this. I want to say it's a really good match. I don't really have any cons about it besides I wish that I can adjust it more. But as far as like being as close as possible, I feel like it looks good. What the inside of the bag looks like, there's that pocket right here. And then I do not have an organizer yet for this bag. I'll probably get one just because I've noticed like a very, very, very light small spot. But the only thing about organizers sometimes, depending on the shape of the bag, I feel like they kind of take up room and I want to utilize all my space. It ended up saving a pretty penny on this bag, almost $600, because I did buy this bag secondhand. Now, I did try this bag on at the beginning of the year when it first came out, and at that time it had the strawberry charm right here. And if you look up on YouTube this bag, you'll see a few reviews with those who have the strawberry charm. They don't have that one anymore. I'm guessing it was limited edition, and that's fine. But at the moment when I tried it on, oh my gosh, I fell in love with that bag. I'll insert some pictures of me trying it on in the store and also some pictures of what it looks like up close. But I really fell in love with the bag. However, even though I was in love with the bag and I put it on my wish list, I was really hoping that I could catch it for a good deal because they have another version of this bag that's just a shoulder bag. So it doesn't come with the chain strap, it doesn't come with the web strap, it only comes with the shoulder strap that goes across. I'll make sure to leave that on the side. And at the time, that one was only like $12.50 and this bag was $17.60 at the time. And I just felt like that $500 difference, $600 difference probably after taxes, which is a bit too much for just a strap. And I didn't want the one that just was a shoulder bag because I didn't like the way that the strap was going to look over time. But I still think that it looks cute. I just personally wanted different options. As time went on, what I would do is go on Fashionphile to see if somebody was deciding to sell this bag, even with the strawberry charm. I also had a leather tab for the zipper. So I was hoping I could find something that was a good deal. And unfortunately, when I went on Fashionphile, the prices were only like $50, $60 cheaper. Like, I'm gonna be patient and just check out other places and just kind of keep checking back. So I decided to look in the Gucci group, and I did see that somebody sold the one with the strawberry charm for a little bit less, but I missed out on that. So I said, hey, if it's my time to get it, it'll be my time to get it. But I knew I did not want to pay full price. I went back in the Gucci group and I seen that a young lady was selling this bag for around $1,400. And I was like, okay, that's a pretty good deal. I was like, I'm gonna sit on it and we'll see. Somebody else went to buy the bag and then she took the listing off and then the seller fell through. So fortunate for me, she ended up putting it back up. And when she put it back up, I still kind of sat on it like, man, I wonder if she'll go down. and I seen that the bag wasn't selling for like a week or so, and so I kept checking back and she kept going lower in the price to like $1,300. One thing about buying a bag secondhand, there's nothing wrong with it, but you have to make sure that you get those bags authenticated. If it looks like it's too good to be true, spend that $10 or $20 just to have an extra peace of mind to make sure you are getting the real deal, because you don't want to overpay for something and it's not even real. I went through 2 authenticators, and then she also authenticated it just for a peace of mind. The thing is, if you are deciding to buy the bag secondhand from somebody else and you're not going to the store, make sure that they send you an invoice when it comes to selling the bag and not doing Zelle or family and friends. I'm sorry, I just do not trust nobody that much to hand over that much money, and then if it comes in or you decide to put a bag of rocks in the mail and I get it, I can't even say anything because I decided to pay family and friends like I really do know you, versus if I pay with an invoice, I have time to dispute it. And also, if something's not right, we're gonna resolve the situation. So for me, it's safer for you, and it's also safer for the other person. Definitely got this for a steal, and sometimes that's not always gonna happen, but sometimes you can find really good deals. Especially in this economy, a lot of people are just not spending like they used to. They're looking for a deal, and I know I'm always looking for a deal, but it has to be on something that I really want before I decide to just say, okay, I want it. If you don't want to pay full price, just always check around. Don't be in a rush. Make sure you get it authenticated, and make sure you get that invoice. Sometimes with an invoice, the sellers will charge you a little bit more because there are fees, but hey, I would rather pay a fee than to be out of my money. I did check on the Gucci website, and it seems that this bag did increase in price along with a few other bags. So this bag is now $1,850 versus $1,760, and then for the shoulder style, $1,250, and now it is $1,350. And when it comes to this chain strap, and I'll show you guys when I do the what's in my bag, to me it can be a little bit noisy. If you decide to wear it with the web strap, it'll kind of like make this noise. And this chain strap is cute for like holding it with your hand, but if you got bigger arms like me, this is a tight fit. Okay, I'm not even gonna fake the funk with y'all. So it's cute to have on the bag, but your girl got bigger arms, and I'm not about to be squeezing the life out of my arms. So I just wish that it was a little bit more length to this, but at the same time, if you put it on and you want this look, then you don't want it to look too long. So hey, I wish that Gucci sold strap accessories that you can pick and choose from, because Louis Vuitton, you can buy different straps to go with your bag. You're just not stuck with that one. Even though I think that their straps are a little bit pricey, you do have the options to purchase and play around with different. This is what the bag is looking like up close, and I made sure to turn the brightness down. Very, very gorgeous. And I did mention how this makes a lot of noise. So if you are moving and walking, like I promise y'all, it does this. So just depending on the outfit, sometimes I will just go ahead and remove that so I don't have any issues with hearing that noise, because yeah, especially if I'm going to be moving around a lot. Make sure to bring out some of my everyday essentials. I personally don't plan on overpacking this bag, but just carrying what I need at the moment. So of course, I have my mini pochette, and then I have my Gucci card case with my keys, my AirPods, some hand sanitizer. I have my phone. The thing I'm gonna put in there is my mini pochette. Then I'll put in my keys, and I'll put this on top. I'm just trying to figure out how I wanna pack it. The phone, and then of course my AirPods. Here's my hand sanitizer, and then of course my mace. And let's see, I think I can stand this up. So you still have a good amount of room. Now I have put sunglasses in this bag also, but I definitely was not carrying this. So it just all depends on what you decide to carry for the day. I would personally leave it like this. Maybe you'll have enough room for just maybe 1 or 2 more small items, but I wouldn't put anything else bigger than this in the bag, because you want to make sure that it closes up. So I'm just going to close it, and it closed up perfectly. There's no rippling at the top or anything. I put my phone in there, but I do have this water bottle. It is not completely full. I made sure it's closed up really tight. But if you're thirsty, and you feel like you want to have some water, that'll fit too. Personally, I wouldn't carry the mini pochette if I'm going to carry a water bottle, but you can still fit, you know, your keys in there. You can still throw in your AirPods, your hand sanitizer, and then you can throw in your mace. Let's see how that fits. So that does fit really good still. It's not super heavy, but like I said, it's not filled up all the way. But I personally wouldn't carry any water in this bag. And if I did carry one, I don't think I would carry a full size. But I wanted to show you guys that just in case you are thinking about carrying just a mini small umbrella, you can fit it in here. I love the bag. I am happy that I have it. Should you pay full price for it? Hey, that's a personal thing, because I was willing to pay full price in the store. I just had to stop myself, but I'm happy that I waited and I wasn't in a rush because I ended up finding a pretty good deal. Also think that if you are not into changing out your straps and you want a more classic look, you can definitely go with the shoulder style, which is a bit cheaper. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. I don't have a lot of Gucci items in my collection besides my card holder, this bag, and I do have another crossbody bag, but I plan on selling that one just because I don't think I'm going to use it, and this just holds way more. If you are interested in this bag, I'm going to make sure to leave a link down below so you can check it out on the website. I'll leave a link to the Gucci group that I'm in. I'll also leave links to the 2 companies that I use to authenticate this piece. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, please do not forget to share and like, and also do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.